To pin your note you make with screen off memos on the always on display on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, turn off the screen. Remove your S Pen from your phone. Write your note with your pen. And then tap pin icon to pin your note to the always on display. Depends on your always on display setting. Open always on display. Still sample always on display in this phone is set to show when you tap the screen. Then tap the screen. You can see that the note you have pinned before is displayed here. Tap the pencil icon at the top of the screen to continue writing your note. If you are done writing, you can tap save button to save your note. Given to the function, you can pin your note to the always on display, so you can easily access the note and continue writing the note without you have to unlock the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.